To send XRP using Trust Wallet, start by opening the application on your mobile device. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that supports a wide range of digital assets, including XRP. Once you have opened the app, navigate to the Wallet section by tapping on the wallet icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. In the Wallet section, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you have stored in your Trust Wallet, including XRP. Tap on the XRP option to access your XRP wallet. Here, you will see your current XRP balance and have the option to send or receive XRP. To send XRP, tap on the Send button. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's XRP address. This address is usually a long string of characters and numbers that uniquely identifies the recipient's XRP wallet. Make sure to enter the address correctly to avoid sending your XRP to the wrong recipient. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount or use the Max button to send your entire XRP balance. Be aware that sending XRP requires a small transaction fee, which will be deducted from your balance. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount of XRP being sent, and the transaction fee. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction by tapping on the Send button. Your XRP transaction will then be processed on the Ripple network and should be completed within a few seconds. You can track the status of your transaction by tapping on the Transaction History option in your XRP wallet. It is essential to note that XRP transactions are irreversible, so make sure to double-check the recipient's address before sending. Additionally, keep your Trust Wallet and XRP wallet secure by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. In conclusion, sending XRP using Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently send XRP to anyone with an XRP wallet.